Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if this is your first time seeing this face, hi guys, my name is Mo. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and join the family. So guys, today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make your first YouTube video. So like how to make and post your first YouTube video. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if this is your first time seeing this face, hi guys, my name is Mo. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your first YouTube video. When I started YouTube, I did not have anybody to show me like how to make my first YouTube video. I just took my phone because I was really into this YouTube stuff. I just took my phone and I sat down on my bed and I just started filming videos, and trust me, the first video was horrible. If you are from my second channel, you know that my first video I had to go and private, like put it on private because it was so, oh my god, like everything was just off in that video. The lighting was zero, the filming was, everything was horrible. I didn't even have a stand. I had my friend of mine hold the phone like this so that I could film that video. She held the phone and I was filming, I was talking behind the phone. It was so funny. But today I'm going to show you how to make your first YouTube video. Like things I did not know that I wish I knew back then that will help you shoot a very manageable first video. So guys, grab a pen and paper or your phone or whatever you want to write down on and take down these few points of mine. So guys, number one, the first thing you have to do before starting a YouTube, before you film your very first YouTube video, is you have to do research. Guys, research is key. Everybody knows me, and like I do research a lot. Like my friends make joke of me. I still do research every single time I want to film a video because I'm just like, well, how can I make myself better? How can I do this to get better at doing this? Because like I will not say like I don't know how to film, but like I still need improvement. So I keep doing research continuously. Like my research does not stop. So guys, for you to film your first video, you have to know, you have to research on how to film, what you want to film, what you need, what are the things you will need to film, like how to start, the video. Basically, you are learning what you want to do. You want to learn how to do what you want to do, if that makes sense. You at this point you learn what to do, what not to do. If by doing this is going to work like this, or this is not going to work like this, it's just going to help you. So research is key. Do your research before you start your first YouTube video. Do as much research as possible. I'm sure most of you know that there are some settings that even if you want to start your YouTube on your phone, which I did not know before, but I know now due to my research. When I wanted to start, if I knew this point back then, now I know that on my phone, if I want to start a YouTube video on my phone, there are some settings I could tweak a little and it will make my videos better. Like it will give my videos like a little HD quality, if you understand. It's not going to be as great as the one of the camera, but it will help me. So that is research. So if you do your research, you will know that, okay, this is, I could tweak this, do this, add this, not add that, and then you now sit down and you film your first video. So guys, number two, you have to have an idea on what you want to film. If you want to start YouTube, I'm sure a lot of people are like I'm sure you have been, if you are watching this video, I'm sure some of you are like you want to start a YouTube channel, but you have been putting it down. I don't know what to film. I don't know what to film. What will I film? Maybe tomorrow I'll film this, from tomorrow I'll film that. You keep procrastinating. The best thing I'll advise you to do is start. Just sit down and start. I sat down and started because I wanted to do this. Like this was what I wanted to do. So I just started. Like I just sat down and I was like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. But the first advice I could give you, which I did not do in my previous channel, if you're from my second existing channel, hi guys. But what I could have done when I first started my YouTube, I think I did a never have I ever video. That was my first ever video ever. But I think now what you could do, you could just make a 3 to 5 minute video of a get to know me video. Like you talk about yourself. Basically, you just talk about yourself, what you do, what your YouTube channel is going to be about. Some questions online. If you don't know how to film, maybe you are looking for questions that you could answer yourself. You get some questions online and you just do a get to know me. Hi guys, my name is Mo. I do vlogs, like on my second channel. I do vlogs, and on this channel I show you tips and tricks of how to grow your YouTube channel. You just give yourself, I'm Muslim. You just basically introduce yourself to other people, and voila, you already have your first YouTube video. So guys, let me give you a key number 3, a key point, a key note. write it down. Write a script. Up till now, I have scripts. As I'm filming this video, I have a script beside me. All famous YouTubers do this, let me tell you. Let me give you a trick. All the YouTubers, you see, they are talking, they are sitting down filming, they all have a script where they write things down. So you will not just be blabbing, not be blah 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 this. I have a script, because like even actors and actresses, they have scripts to read. Casters, they have the teleprompter that they have to read, because you cannot remember everything. So just make sure you have like a script down where you have your key points of things that you want to say and things you want to do, that you could even use, like you just peep into that. Okay, see that, okay, yes, you are on point of what you want to say, like what you were trying to say on your YouTube channel, you are seeing it. Like, see, let me show you guys. I have this book here. I have it by my side, so as I'm filming, I do not forget anything. Like if I want, I'll just come down. Like, it is a trick I have learned. You need to have a script. All people that do YouTube, that are doing big videos, if you're not vlogging and you're doing the sit down videos as I do, you all have a script by your side, so you do not forget like important things you want to say on that video. Because I remember when I first started, when I did not have a script, I would deviate from the point of what I'm trying to say. Like maybe I'm trying to talk to you guys about something, I would not go to somewhere that doesn't even concern me. So having a script to help you, so you do not just you do not just ramble, you just blab things up and down. So guys, next, number four. So guys, practice how to talk. Oh my god, I think the reason why I started doing YouTube was easy for me, because I talk to myself a lot. But if you want to start YouTube and you are not somebody that maybe you don't know how to talk to yourself a lot, guys, that's where your mirror comes in. Your mirror is key at this point. Learn to talk to yourself in front of a mirror. Or if you don't have a mirror, put your phone in your front. Not that you don't need to record, but you just start talking to yourself. Because, well, I'm talking to myself. I am making this video. There's nobody in my house. I'm just speaking to a camera. So you just have to learn how to talk to yourself. You have to learn how to focus on talking to yourself. And when you are learning how to talk, you learn to practice a lot. When I first started YouTube, sometimes I put my hands in my mouth, or I start scratching my head, and I forget that I am actually filming a video, because like I wasn't conscious of, okay, yes, I was filming a video. But now that I've gotten into the hang of things a little, I know what to do and what not to do when I'm filming a video. So because I know when you first start camera shy, you will be very, very shy. Even up to now, like when I go out, I'm very comfortable filming indoors, but when I do vlogs and I go out, I am still shy at sometimes. Like especially if I'm the only one, I'm just like, oh my god. But the more you practice in the mirror, the more you talk to yourself, it will get easier. Trust me, it will get easier as time goes on. It will not happen overnight, but it will get easier. You're able to talk camera and not be shy anymore. So guys, the next is number 5. Important. Look presentable. Look like you want to talk to other people. Do you understand? Like, look good. I'm not saying you should look all extra as I look now, even though I do not think I look extra. Like, this is just me on a daily basis, okay? But but look presentable, look good. Like, make sure you like brush your hair or tie your scarf well. You don't look like you don't not have like different things on your face. You just have to look nice. That just have to tell you just have to look nice. You don't necessarily have to wear tons of makeup or things. You just have to look okay. Like when people click on your video and they want to watch your videos, they should be able to see that, okay, this person looks presentable. Like, I will want to listen to what this person is saying. Do you understand? I don't know why I keep saying, do you understand? So guys, number 6, your recording device. I know when a lot of people start YouTube, except maybe you already have a camera before, you start with your phone. Like I said earlier, I used my phone for 2 or 1.5 years of filming on YouTube. I used my phone. It worked good for me because I just learned how to make some adjustments to my phone settings and I started filming videos. I used my phone, and in terms of lighting, I used natural lights. Use natural lighting. If you are lucky enough to have like ring lights or softbox light, or I don't know, maybe you already purchased that before you start your filming videos, you are lucky, fine, you can use that. But when you first start, like normal people like us did. I used my phone. I did not, guys, I did not have a tripod. I did not have nada. I did not have nothing. I used books. Even up to now, let me show you guys. You guys should just hold on what I use for mine. I have a tripod, but I don't like how my tripod works. So I'll show you what currently how my filming setup is. So guys, can you see how my filming setup is? I have my camera and I have it on my drug, then I have it on my water bottle. Like, it's insane that up to now I see it's a water bottle, but like, this is I wanted this height because of how I'm sitting down, but this is the only setup that could get me this right height. So when I used my tripod here, it was giving me like the height wasn't that long enough. It was really short, so I had to like bend my neck and I wasn't comfortable with that. And my other tripod that I have, I'm coming guys, I'll show you. My other tripod that I have doesn't, like, the height is too much for me, so I just use this to film, and that's what I've been anytime I do sit down videos, this is what I use to film. Then when I want to go out, I use tripod. So guys, you can basically start with anything. If at this point I still use bottle and drugs and everything to hold my camera, just take books or your shoe or anything, basically just use it and make sure your phone or your camera is staying on it, and that's how you start filming. So that takes me to my next point. Make your background as nice as possible. Because of the situation of my room is really small. Where I film this video, I film in my bedroom, it's really small, so I do not have the luxury of a lot of space, but I make sure I use a very nice background. So I'm using the wall of my room, as you guys can see, the wall, and it's clean, it's nice, it's pretty. Like, you don't need to have a lot of things. Some people have a lot of things at the background of their video. If it works for you, fine, but I'll advise you to just have a clean and clear background. Possibly just clear out your background so that like the background isn't confusing people so much when they're watching your videos. So that takes me to my next point. You start recording. This is the interesting part of YouTube. When you start recording, guys, let me tell you something, there will be a lot of mistakes. So don't be scared. Like, when you start filming videos and you are like making mistakes, up to now I make mistakes. Like, when I start especially with my intro, I'll be like, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I just pause. You will make mistakes. Like, mistakes are inevitable. You will make mistakes, trust me. You do not want to see my videos before I edit them. Like, I make a lot of mistakes. Sometimes I'll be talking and I just go, like, I just like, what am I saying? Like, what am I doing here? So if you make mistakes, just continue filming. When you want to edit, you will cut it out. When you want to edit, you cut it out. No, that's not a problem. Just make sure you film the video you want. Just make sure you film it, then you edit it. Don't be scared that, oh my god, I've made this mistake, and you start afresh. Like, that's taking so much time. Just make sure you film your video, then you make your mistakes. When you now get to editing, that is where the magic now happens. So guys, my next point, I think this is my point 8 or point 9, editing. Like I said earlier, guys, I started filming on my phone, and I can say with my chest that I can professionally edit a full YouTube video on my iPhone, create my thumbnails, do everything on my phone. So if you guys want me to show you a video of how to edit on your phone, just leave a comment down below and I will make that video. Because when I first started YouTube, I was like, how will I edit this stuff? Then I got iMovie on my phone. I downloaded iMovie. I think it comes with all iPhones. Film on my phone, edit it and upload it from my phone. So like the first 1.5 years of my YouTube channel, I filmed, edited, everything that you can think about, I did on my phone. So guys, last but not the least, posting your video. I remember when the first time I wanted to post my first video, I was so scared. I was like, oh my god, like, people are going to see me on the internet. I would be so, like, I was so scared. But my friends were like, come on, post it. Like, what's that? We sat down to make this video. We're going to be like, you have to post it. And that's how I posted my video. And the first video I posted is what got me to this place that I am right now. If I didn't post that first video, I don't think I would be here making this video. So just make sure you try and follow these steps. If you don't understand, we'll watch this video again and try to make and post your first video. And I hope with these few points of mine I have been able to can you guys see mistake? So guys, with these few points of mine, I hope I have been able to convince you to start your YouTube channel if you want to. Like, you just start, and trust me guys, it's a lot of fun. You have fun, but you talk to yourself a lot. So till I see you guys next time, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, join the family, and bye.